Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be making water slime. First we need a big container like this, and I have this bluish slime that is really stretchy, and I'm gonna put in here. Now I'm going to pour out water that double its size. Now mix this well until it's dissolved into the water. Okay, after mixing, I see this not gonna like a water slime consistency that I like, so I'm just gonna pour more water. Okay, and now it's done, but remember, don't put too much water, or maybe it going to be so rippy. And now, bye bye.